Right guys, just like that, we've got car number 3. So this is a Hyundai. It's an I10, as you can see. It's a front end damage car. So this one has just been delivered. I have quickly scribbled all the writing off the top so you can't see the numbers and that like I normally do. It's a front end damage. What it looks like is it's the bonnet there, which just took a big ding. I think the bonnet just isn't latched down, because in the pictures the bonnet was closed, and then down here we've got bumper damage. So this grille, that looks fine. I think that's a separate part to the bumper, and then the bottom grille is completely gone. Obviously we can see the bumpers, it's ripped out of here. If we were really struggling, we probably could repair this bumper. I'm not going to bother, I'm just going to replace it. The bottom grille is obviously seen better days, and the crash impact bar, by the looks of it, is bent inwards. I think it hasn't actually damaged the radiator. I think it's just damaged the AC condenser. That's the AC condenser there. I think it's just damaged that. So I'll just give you a quick little walk around before we look into the car. The only thing confusing about this car for me is the auction said runs and drives. It's not a run and drive, according to the recovery driver. He goes, he couldn't get the engine to turn over, which is a bit worrying, but we'll have a look at it. So that's what it looks like from the side. It's a nice little small car, and as you can see, the panels, it's full of mud and that, so it does need, you know, a good little wash. That's basically the back end of the car. And obviously this is car number 3 for us. And you can see there, it's not a bad looking car, Hyundai I10. I'll just show you there. Rest of the panels seem okay. Bumpers unclipped, this wing's fine. Bumpers unclipped again. Back to the front end. So this is car number 3 of our rebuilding journey. But if I just open it up there, I'll just put the bonnet latch on. The bonnet just latches onto there. I do apologise if you can't hear me properly, because 1, I'm ill, and 2, car probably didn't start it because that's not even connected. Battery cable's not on, which I'll probably explain. I'm surprised the recovery driver didn't even try that. Oh, but we don't have a spark. So when you connect your cable, you should have a little bit of a spark when you touch it. This has got nothing. That's tight, that's not. Let's just, I haven't got any tools to hand at the minute, so I'll just like nip it up a little bit there. But yeah, this was in the auction as runs and drives. Like I said, if you can't hear, I do apologise, because it's very windy today, and I'm not feeling too well. But it's a 1.2, you can see the engine. Should we just have a look down there? Looks like the radiator has moved back, but it doesn't look like it's took any obvious damage to the radiator or the fan. So the fan still spins, it hasn't jammed up. I don't want to spin it too much, but if you look carefully in there, you can see I can turn the fan with ease as well. That's not even hard, that's ease. Hopefully we don't need a new rad pack as well, but if we do, we do. So I'll just quickly pull the dipstick out. Looks like it's got fresh oil. Doesn't come with a V5, but let's get inside of it. We'll try and start it up. We'll see what it says. Where's the keys gone? There's the keys. So we'll get inside of it. We'll try and fire it up, because like I said, the auction did say that this runs and drives. So if it doesn't run or drive, it's a bit of a worry. I am aware with Copart, they do tend to hide behind the fine print. So it's one of those things, I'd either take them to court or just put up with it. We've got power. You can see there, we've got power. Push the clutch down, and so it started off, the revs were slightly high. It seems alright to me, to be honest with you. So we've got the airbag light, we've got seatbelt, and we've got handbrake. It's got 58,000 miles on it, which is extremely low. It's got half a tank of petrol, half electric. That's what the interior looks like. It's not a massively dirty car either. Not sure why the recovery driver said he couldn't start it. I think he might have just been a bit lazy, to be honest with you. But this is what the interior looks like from the front. And then I'll just open the back door and I'll show you the back one as well. So this is what it looks like from the back. And then boot space is... Oh, I like that. I was expecting there to be a button underneath there. The entire badge goes up. And the boot, they've left the parcel shelf in. From what I've been hearing, apparently Copart likes to take these out. I'm not sure why it's not attached to the boot, but it doesn't look like there's any clips or anything that you could, you know, attach it to. So that must just go there. The boot's not massively big, but it's not small either. We've got that. I haven't got a clue what that's from, but it is belonging to this car because the badge it's got is Hyundai Kia. We'll have to have a look where that's from. It comes with, oh, it's got a good spare tyre underneath. I think the spare tyre is even bald. Just check it. Nope. So it's got a space saver. And it's got some good tread on it. It's got its spanner, jack and kit, the full lot. That looks like it's made out of like cardboard. It's quite, compared to the Corsa we just got rid of, that's quite a strong boot mat, that, which is quite surprising. Over to this side. This is what it looks like. Do you know what? I'm not minding this car. It's quite a small little thing, but I do like it. Yeah, I do like this car. And then that's that. Let's just see if we've got anything in the glove box. Oh, we've got service history. We've got some books there. So we've got the 10-year warranty, we've got road assist, we've got the manual, we've got new vehicle warranty, and we've got anti-theft. We don't have service history, but I'm not sure why you would. Oh, we've got a routine maintenance one. That might be the service history. I'm not showing it on screen. Oh yeah, it is as well. So all the service stamps, and it was last serviced on, if we just look there, it was last serviced on 54,848 miles by a garage called Acon. So if we just have a look in here quickly, what's the mileage on? It's on 58,000. So it was actually serviced just 4,000 miles ago. The engine itself does sound healthy. That's the sound of the engine. I think we've bought ourselves a really good car here. Just off the front there, need a front. If I just move the bumper out the way, I'll just stand there. It looks like it needs just literally just a front impact bar, which is this metal one here. And then it is touching the radiator, but what I think we need to do is we need to get it inside, get the front bumper off, get the impact bar off, remove the fans, so the entire rad pack, remove it all out, have a look at it, because if it is bent and we're selling the car, there is no point us continuing to, like, you know, start rebuilding it without getting a new one of them as well. I have looked at a few bumpers online, and it's not looking good, guys. It does look like I'm either going to extremely struggle, or I'm going to have to get a bumper in a different colour and send it to the body shop, which is only going to add our costs up. But even still, bumpers, regardless of the colour, they're going for a lot of money. So if you've got a bumper, or you know someone that's got a bumper in white that'll fit this car, please definitely get it in the comments. And who knows, I could come and get the bumper off you. That's just a pipe next to the airbox. There's no visible oil leaks or anything like that. I am extremely happy with this car, to be honest with you. I did not think it was going to be as good as it was, and I did panic when I found out that it doesn't run and drive. Tyres are a bit flat, doesn't have alloys, 2 keys. I don't mind it. For car number 3 of our Copart rebuild, I think we've got a good car. So we've had the Astra, we've had the Corsa, now something a bit different, Hyundai. Who knows what will be next? But anyway, guys, please
Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next part.